If you're still running Windows 7 on your computer, it's time to think about upgrading to Windows 10. Now, it is okay to run Windows 7 still, but I do recommend that you upgrade because Microsoft no longer supports Windows 7 in terms of security fixes, so your computer is more vulnerable to viruses and to security problems. So first we need to check to make sure that your computer is capable of running Windows 10. So take the pointer down to the start button on Windows 7, bottom left hand corner, and in the search box just type in About. Then click on System in the menu. And here the computer will tell us a couple of three things that we're looking for in particular. We want to make sure that your processor here runs at more than 1 gigahertz, so this is 2.10. I do recommend it should be 2 and above really. Also, installed memory, the RAM on your computer. Windows 10 runs with a minimum of 2 gigabytes of RAM, but really you want it to be 4 gigabytes or more. Check your hard drive size, go down to the yellow folder, Windows Explorer, left click once, and if you click on computer, here you'll see your hard drive, and here it tells us that we've got the hard drive here. It's 148 gigabytes it says here, but it's most likely 160 gigabytes in size, this particular drive here, which is big enough to run Windows 10. So just to reiterate, your processor needs to be running at more than 1 gigahertz, preferably 2 or above. You also need to have a minimum of 2 gigabytes of RAM, but I recommend 4 gigabytes or above, otherwise your computer will start running a bit slowly when you upgrade it to Windows 10. And also your hard drive, preferably 120 or above. Once you've established that your computer has the right specifications for Windows 10, you can consider downloading Windows 10. I'm assuming that your computer is licensed for Windows 7. If it hasn't, you may run into problems, but if it's a genuine copy of Windows on your computer, then you can upgrade to Windows 10 free of charge, and on another video I'll show you how to do that.